Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Epson L3250 not connecting to Wi-Fi, how to fix. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If your Epson printer not connecting to Wi-Fi, then we need to follow some steps. You will need to perform a reset for that. If you need to perform a reset, then here you will see. Here you will see these are the buttons on the Epson printer. So first you will need to press this button, which is next to the Wi-Fi button. Press this button with the power button about few seconds. So simply press and hold this button and the power button of your printer about few seconds. When you press and hold these two buttons in your printer about few seconds, then you will see the status indicator light start blinking. When you see status indicator light start blinking, then release the buttons. After 1 to 2 minutes, your printer will be reset and hopefully your problem will be fixed after that. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.